Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money. So let's get started. Let's go to our every Friday of 2025. Alright, just put that there. Alright, so we got, what is this Friday past was the 24th. So October 24. And this goes towards the extra payment of debt. 21, 2, 3, and 4. Look at that. This year is, whoo. That'll tell you how many Fridays we got left. We only got 4, 8, 9. 9 Fridays left of the year. That's crazy to think about, though. Crazy. I think I'm going to sit down today and start thinking about goals for 2026 and what that looks like for our family. Since my son will be going off to Space Force. So yeah, so kind of revamp things, see how things going. What is the goals for 2026? It's never too early, right? Right. And then of course, start thinking about saving challenges that I want to get and support from other creators, or what I want to create and put out for you guys. So this challenge is created by Norella's Budgets. I wrote a 8-sided die for each week to see how much it's going for my son's senior year. And we got a 5. Yeah, I was just thinking like, wow, like next year I won't have to think about back to school stuff. Oh my goodness. It's going to be wonderful. Because my daughter, she is in college. And I don't have to worry about pretty much anything with her unless she needs help with like books or something like that. But other than that, no school clothes. I am good. So this saving challenge is created by Save with Judy. Each icon is $5. Overall for the whole year, it is $300. So we are going to color in our little ghost here. Because it is spooky season. Spooky season. I don't do anything for like Halloween or anything since the kids are older. My husband usually the one that pass out candies to the trick-or-treaters. But not me. All right, and I don't think he's going to do that this year because candy prices are outrageous. So this is created by myself. You can find this in my Etsy or in my Kofi. This says Senior 2026. Of course, you know, that is my son's graduation year next year. So what I am rolling is a 12-sided die to determine which one I'm going to save. Oh, wow. We got $1. We got $1. So I'm going to put that $1 in. And I'm going to roll one more time. Let's roll one more time. 4. Okay. Let's find the 4 on here. Where is the 4? Right here. So $5 total is going this week. So $5. Perfect. And now we are going to our, say, 2025 and 2025 created by the Almost Organized Aisle. All right. And let's see what we got here. I don't know if I'm going to put all this. We might put all of it. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Is that right? 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Okay, $61. Let's see what we're gonna do here. So we have 20, so minus 20. What? 61 minus 20. Oh, I forgot it's 21 right there. Hold on. 61 minus 21. Okay. Let's see. Let's do a brown. Oh, no. Let's do a red. So let's do 21 here. All right, and let's do 20. Okay, let's do 20. Let's do a purple again. Let's do purple here. All right, and so we got 20. Should I do, the only thing I can do is 19. So let's do 19. And then we have $1. So let's take $1 out and we put that in our rollover. So let's do this 19. Let's do 19 up here. Let's do that a brown. I thought this was brown. Oh, yes, that's brown. This is coming along so neatly, even though this is going to taxes. So we're going to put that over here. Put that and then put it in here. And then let's go to our rollover. And just look, we only got, what's this? 12, 16, 18, 19, 14, 16. $95, and then we get to scratch. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Now, after we finish that, we will start with 2026. Just keep the ball moving. All right, so this is created by NASA Budget. So I got this on Etsy. So let's put the dollar, and this is going towards vacation. So let's do where's my markers? Oh. All the way over there. So let's do, what color shall we do? Should we do a pink? Let's do a pink. Let's do one over here. So I got vacation going in this binder. I got vacation going in my family binder. And then I have decided that my Build-A-Bank is also going to vacation. So it should be pretty good. All right, gems. That was $100 put into my year of savings. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.